Hi and welcome to Glenn's Tech Corner. In this video I'll show you how you can remove objects from a photo with Photoshop. It is super easy with the new built-in AIs in Photoshop to remove an object that you don't want from your photo, even if the background seems to be pretty advanced. So forget all about old cloning, pasting. Now there is a very simple tool that I like to demonstrate on this photo. So what we want is to take this out from this where we have our different spot healing and patch tools. We want to take the content aware move tool, which can do a few different stuff, but it can remove objects. So let's just say that we didn't want this person in the front of the photo. We just make like a rough selection around the object we want removed. And let's just imagine that I forgot the shadow. We'll come back to that here. This also allows us, we could move it, we could replace it with other stuff, but we can also simply just remove it. Click here, and it just takes maybe 10 seconds or even less. And I would say this looks pretty great. Even the poles, even the backgrounds, if we just flick here, maybe we can see this is a little bit crooked, but still very good. Let's just try to do it again with this person down here. We just make a rough selection and then we click remove. Also works perfectly here, even with a lot of like things in the background that it needs to recreate. And let's just do it with the final person if we wanted to have the street without people on it. Works super smoothly. There might be a little bit here with some duplicates that we may want to go in and try to correct a little bit, but I'm not even totally sure what should be in that part of the image. So let's just try as a final thing to take this shadow. It is just important that you make sure that you exceed a little bit above all the edges of it. It's okay to overlap with another element because it kind of knows to recreate that as well. We click remove, and now the shadow is gone. This is a super cool and super easy to use feature that I use a lot, and I also hope it can help you. Thank you so much for watching.